Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, this looks good. I bought this vegetable beef noodle soup mix at Dollar Tree for $1, and it makes a lot. I used these beef patties that I bought at Dollar Tree for $1, and I used, instead of beef broth, I just made beef bouillon. I'm sure it's going to be fine. So, okay, and then to go with my soup, I made some raisin bread. Let me give you the recipe. If you want to see how I made this stuff, how I made it, just scroll on down. Okay, here is the, oops, that's not it. It's this one, but I want to show you something in a minute. So it's everything I had in the stockpile. Also, I bought the candy fruit at Dollar Tree a while back, and I just kept it in my freezer. But look, here's a scone recipe. I will be making some of those. So let's see. Okay, so here is my raisin bread. You know, I'm always trying to make good raisin bread. This is good. You know, I just eat it like bread, you know, and so, okay, now let's have, now, the good thing about this is it makes a lot. So, you know, we'll have raisin bread for a couple days. Okay, I like a little salt and pepper on my soup. You know, we were so upset because the friend was murdered. Well, I want to say murdered. Well, he fell into the hands of some kind of foul play, right? So we got word that the detectives are looking into it. So you can't believe how much better that makes me feel. You know, my uncle was a homicide detective. So at least if the people are caught and punished, that will be good. They will still go to hell for murdering such an innocent and harmless person. But I am grateful for those detectives, you know, trying to find out what happened. Sometimes it takes them a while to catch them, but eventually they'll probably be caught. So it's been a week, I'll tell you that. His poor mother. So, okay, you guys, this is cheap. This will taste good with some sandwiches too. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.